So now let us see what is data type, right? Data type is nothing but we can model this JSON. Means we can say what all parameters are we expecting in the response, and is it a string, is it required, all those things we can model it. So we will create a file inside data types. So let me call it as data type. The type is data type. Okay, then it is employee response data type, right? Let me create this file. This is how the data type file is going to look like. So what exactly it is telling is the JSON is an array. Okay, the type is array. Within that we have object, and object we have properties. Basically, what is the key name, and is it required, what is the type, and example. So whatever fields we are getting in the response, so we have written the properties of those fields, right? So it is a array. Within that we have object, and we have 6 fields, right? So that is what we have written here, right? So how we are going to use this data type in the main RAML? So let's see. I can give types. I'll give it as employee emp response, then include library, include library data types, then employee response data type RAML. In the body, I can tell type as whatever name we have given in the type, right? So emp response, right? So I'll just copy paste. This is how we can use the data type in the RAML. We will check all the different RAML questions which can come from the topic which we have covered till now. We will complete the topics in the next session. So what is RAML? This is already covered in the beginning. So this is another question. What are the different HTTP methods that RAML supports? It is get, put, patch, post, delete. So get and post we have already discussed. Delete is used for deleting a record. Put is used for updating the record. So if it is a partial update or modify, we can use the patch method. Okay. How to add security in RAML? This we have already seen, right? So security we can add by using this tag security schemes : this could be any name. Then we can write the corresponding security scheme. So we can say what is the type described by. We have the header, client ID, client secret, then responses. So these things are optional. How to define data types in RAML? This is also seen. Data type. So data type is basically how the JSON is going to look like, right? So we just discussed it. What are traits in RAML? So traits are similar to functions in that they allow you to declare common properties for HTTP method. So we have seen this. So we have 2 traits in this RAML, right? One is for header and one is for error response. So in my case, the get method and the post method is going to use this trait, right? So instead of writing it twice, I can write it only once as a trait, and I can use it at multiple places, right? Say if I have 5 methods, so all the 5 methods are going to have might have the same trait. In that case, I can keep it as a trait and I can use it, right?